Hello, this is Amelia from Cangzhou Zhongtuo cold rolling forming machinery, and in the following parts, I'm planning to introduce one combined type stats and track rolling forming machine. The features of this production line is that it's space saving, energy saving, and high touch of remote control. Meanwhile, it can save a lot of energy, workers, and space. The following parts I will introduce one by one for you. First part, this is the hydraulic decoiler 3-ton. We prepare two decoilers, and these two items could be made at the same time. This is hydraulic sponge and more easier to work, and this also can match the speed of this production line. The speed of the production line can reach 35 to 45 meters per minute. So the decoiler also can match the work speed of this production line. This is the second part of the main rolling forming machine. This you can check the machine. There are two parts. This part for U channel and this part for the omega channel. These two profiles could be made at the same time. That's why I say it's space saving and worker saving. As one worker can watch this two production line. As to this part, if you use a coil belong to highly density of galvanized, here we will add the oiling to protect the zinc coating will not peel off during the rolling forming. This part belongs to the frame. The frame we use the molding frame. The thickness is around 35. And the connection with the base frame with bolts and nuts to make sure the accuracy of the rolling forming. As to the roller material, international we call it D2 as a material to make the nail, and in our factory we call it the GCR12 MOV material. This kind of material has the features of hardness and softness. During the rolling forming, it will not break as it's crisp, but it's also more durable. It can make sure machine can use in more than 10 years. As to the transmission, as we use the molding frame, we use the chain. Also, you can choose use the gearbox or gear. And now come to the outside of the main rolling forming machine. We put all the motors inside of the machine with the safety cover. For one thing, it looks more beautiful, and also I think it's more safety. The motor inside will be not damaged by some workers during working, and with this kind of production cover, it's more safety during the production. And now comes to the PLC control part. This is the key point I want to give more introduction. This kind of PLC control, you can also choose to use the cabinet as well also, but this kind of is more saving space. As cooperation with Siemens company, we designed one APP control. This kind of APP could be downloaded from the APP store or could be installed on your cell phone and a computer. It can realize the function that in China, we can do the maintenance for you, no matter where is the machine is located. But on the condition that you need to do the Wi-Fi connection. And as to the sharing part we designed the non-stop sharing. Non-stop sharing, the driving power comes from the servo motor, that part. And with the anti-dust production cover, I think this is more beautiful and more durable for the long time to use, with the turkey head to make sure the profile will not go bending or go like a bridge. Now comes to the third part, the conveyor table and the package system. This is the reason why I say it's in the middle of the full automatic and the half automatic. Once the profile to the receiving table, the conveyor table will pass the profile to the receiving table and then come here. Here we need one worker here to do the package. And when the receiving table we will design according to the maximum lines you want to do the production. Here, when workers stay here and do the package, there's one pedal. And there's one pedal. This pedal will control the package system when the profiles here, and you want to do the three package, 4 packages, depends on you. Just that the worker simply press this, and then the package system will do the package here. And by this way, I think one worker can control the whole production line. You save a lot of workers do the production. Meanwhile, the package, you can see we do the package. We use the plastic. And when the profile to here, you can do the package or loading according to your requirements. As you see that maybe when workers here, you see that the height is not good for me, as my workers is super high, or my workers can't accept this kind of height of the receiving table. It's adjustable. But the both set nuts here, you can adjust the receiving table height according to your worker's height to do the comfortable package and the working. So by this way, I say it's space saving and worker saving. This kind of machine is super good for those whose factory is not so big. The space is limited, and also the works is not so many, and the production rate is not super high. So it's very good choice for you. For more information, please contact us at any time. That's it, and thank you.